I can't get no space. Yeah, no space. Tell the devil go away. Try to take up space. I'm trying to run this race. Well, so low, but I can't run away. No, I can't get no space. I can't get no space. I was running around the wilderness with nowhere to stay. Had dreams of touring the world, Tokyo to LA. God's plan doesn't promise if you ever get paid, but I'ma get paid. Then I'ma give all of it away. Show you money without purpose, don't lead you straight. That's why I'd rather write ahead. You can keep all the fame, 'cause I can't get no love, 'cause a private ain't welcome in the place that he is from. Walking around with a chip on my shoulder, but I ain't carrying bitterness when I'm older. Writing back to back hits, show me this bliss. Who is this kid? Now he's I said I can't get no space. Yeah, no space. Tell the devil go away. Try to take up space. I'm trying to run this race. Well, so well, but I can't run away. No, I can't get no space. Last night I told God, what do you want from me? Why don't you talk to me? My enemy's winning. I know I ain't been since, but making I have a witness. Trying to do good, trying to do right. Those are filthy rays in your eyes, yeah. I just need you. So tell him all my time is near. Been hidden in his hand, I got nothing to fear. Did well till God told me to disappear. Come back with a vengeance and a vision is clear. Yeah, and that's point blank period. God's word doesn't come back void, he's serious. You'll see, this lion ain't got no fear in it, 'cause I can't get no love, 'cause a prophet ain't welcome in the place that he is from. Walking around with a chip on my shoulder, but I ain't carrying bitterness when I'm older. Writing back to back hits, show me this bliss. Who is this kid? Now he's I said I can't get no space. Yeah, no space. Tell the devil go away. Try to take up space. I'm trying to run this race. Well, so well, but I can't run away. No, I can't get no space.
Let's learn No Space. It's choreographed by Laura Gordon and Anthony Gordon. It is a 32 count 4-wall intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Talk about how to start and end the dance, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn No Space. Section 1, you're basically going to start on your left foot. There is a hand motion for count 1 of the dance. However, it's easier to teach it as part of the ending. So we will talk about that count 1 hand motion when we are doing the last few counts of the dance. So we're going to step our right foot to the right side. You're going to step together with your left. And as you step together with your left, you're going to sweep your right from front to back. We're going to cross our right behind our left, step your left foot to the left side. Make an eighth return over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 1030. We're now going to quickly step forward with our left foot. You're going to hit your right knee up. You're going to rock forward onto your right foot, recover back onto your left, and then we're going to do a ball step. So we're going to bring our right foot back into our left, and then step forward with your left. When you step forward with your left, you want to slightly open your body to the left to prep for the next section. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, we're stepping to the right, so it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to step forward with our right foot. We're going to do a 3/8 turn over our right shoulder, turning on the ball of your right foot and dragging your left toe into your right to face 3 o'clock. We're now going to step forward with your left foot. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 12 o'clock. You're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 6 o'clock. And then we're going to touch our right toe next to our left. You're going to step your right foot to the right side, touch your left next to your right, and then we're going to do a left scissor step. Stepping your left foot to the left side, bring your right foot into your left, and then cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just stepped forward with our left foot. You're going to step forward with your right and do your 3/8 turn. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do a full turn. So we're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 9 o'clock. We're going to make a half turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 3 o'clock. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 6 o'clock. And as you step to the side, you're going to take your right hand and you're going to snap it forward. We're now going to touch our left toe behind our right, and you're going to snap your right hand to the right side, and you can kind of look to the right if you would like. From here, we're going to step our left foot to the left side. We're going to swivel our right heel in towards the left, and then you're going to swivel your left heel out to the left. We're now going to do a quarter sailor step, so you're going to cross your right behind your left. You're going to make a quarter turn, stepping your left foot to the left side, and then you're going to step your right foot forward. When you step forward, you want to think of this as a prep for the next section, so slightly angling your body to the right, because we're going to turn back over our left shoulder in that next section. So you really want to make sure that you're kind of prepped to turn back. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our scissor steps, so you're going to do your full turn. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Right now, I'm prepped to turn back over my left shoulder. We're going to do a full turn over our left shoulder. You're going to make a half turn, stepping forward with your left foot to face 3 o'clock. You're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 9 o'clock. We're now going to do a left coaster step, stepping your left foot back, right together, left forward. Now, this is the ending of the dance. This is where the hand motion comes in, and we'll talk about that first count hand motion as well. So we're going to step out, out, right, left. When you step out, you want it to be not forward, but more out to the sides. So you're stepping out right, out, left, and we're going to hold. As you step out, out, you're going to bring opposite hands across your body. So I'm going to face the camera so that you can see what the hands look like. We're going to step our right foot to the right side. You're going to bring your left hand down and across your body with your palm facing down to the floor. We're now going to step our left foot out to the side, and you're going to bring your right hand across your body in front of your left with your palm facing down. Then we're going to bring both hands out to the side like you're pushing people away. And you're going to kind of like switch your weight between both sides as you do this. We're still kind of split weight, but you can kind of lean into your hips if you would like. Now we're going to bring both hands into each other, kind of making a T. As you do this, you're going to touch your right toe next to your left. So now your palms are facing each other. They're kind of pushing against each other with your elbows up. All of this is happening at about shoulder height. That is the end of the dance. When we start over again, we're stepping our right foot to the side. You're going to push your left hand out to the side because it's going to say space. So you're thinking as you step to the right, you're going to push that left hand out to the side, and then you will continue on with the dance. So let's just face the side wall. We just did our coaster step. We're going to do our out, out. So it's out with your hand across, out with your hand across, bring your hands up, out to the sides, touch and bring them together, and then to start over again, you'll push that left hand out for 1 as you step to the right. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our sailor, so you're going to do your full turn over your left shoulder. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Ready to start over again. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts, and then we'll talk about how to start the dance. I am going to do the 1 hand motion just so that you can practice starting the dance with it. So you'll think 1 as we step to that side. So you're stepping to the side and pushing, so it's side together, sweep, behind, side, diagonal step, hitch, rock, recover, ball, step, step 3/8, turn, forward, quarter, half, touch, side, touch, scissors, step, quarter, half, quarter, snap, touch behind, snap, side, heel, swivel, quarter, sailor, prep, half, half, coaster, step, step, out, bring your hands out, in and touch, and then you will push to the side. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready to keep going. Now, let's talk about how to start and end the dance. When we are waiting for the lyrics to kick in of the song, it has the ending before the dance starts. So it will say, I don't get no space. So we're going to do the hand motions and the foot motions for the last 4 counts of the dance before we start the dance at the very beginning. So you'll be facing 12 o'clock. We're just going to add the last 4 counts of the dance on to the very start. So we'll step out while we do our hands. So you step out with the right, bringing your left hand in front. Step out with the left, bring your right hand in front. You're going to bring both hands out to the side, and then you'll touch your right next to your left as you bring your hands in, and then we will start the dance with our side and our push. So you're just going to add on those last 4 counts before you start. Now, the dance ends facing 12 o'clock on the full 32 counts, but it has a few extra counts before the music completely ends. So you're going to do your out, hands, bring them in, and then instead of just staying here, you're going to do count 1 of the dance, which is step to the side and push. And that's how we will end the dance. So you're just going to do count 1 to end the dance, and you can kind of look to the right if you would like, add your own style into that part. So now let's go around. On the front and back balls, I'm going to do steps. Side balls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to start with the extra steps at the beginning just so you can practice it. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our out, and our hands. So it's out across, bring them up, in, step to the side and side, together sweep, behind, side, diagonal, step, hitch, rock, recover, ball, step 3/8, turn, forward, quarter, half, touch, side, touch, scissors, step, quarter, half, quarter, snap, touch and snap, side, heel, quarter, sailor, step, half, coaster, step, out, bring your hands up, and step to the side. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step side, together sweep, behind, side, diagonal, step, hitch, rock, recover, ball, step 3/8, turn, forward, quarter, half, touch, side, touch, scissors, step, quarter, half, quarter, snap, touch behind, snap, side, heel, quarter, sailor, step, half, coaster, step, out, bring your hands up, in, it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you would keep going, or that's where we would end, and you will push out to the side. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on the dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn no space. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
this.